Chris Johnson here again with Rivertown Pro Wash. Man, I hope y'all fellas are staying cool out there. Just wanted to give you a little tip when you're cleaning a roof. You'll hear my gun. I just pulled the trigger on it, and I'm actually being the ground guy today. So I'm gonna turn you around, and you can see all that dripping from the top. See my guy there, he's getting this roof done. The ground guy, I am basically wetting everything that comes off that roof. I'm diluting it, and we're keeping all the vegetation wet. I've already wet this vegetation. We're not over here yet, but we've got that roof to go. And see how it's dripping? I mean, we just, now in the back, we covered up everything with plastic, but here, there's so much coming off angles, and it was easier to just keep the vegetation here wet because we increased our soap intake to slow down the drip. And so it looks like a lot coming off, but you see it's already stopped dripping off the top of the roof. That was less than 15 seconds to drip. And I've been wetting these bushes for 10 minutes. The whole time he's been up there working from the top cap down, I've been wetting bushes. So these bushes are very saturated with water, and they're not going to take any soap or SH at this moment. They're full as a tick, man. I fed them ribeyes all morning. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to give you a little tip, man. Another tip on roof cleaning. Just make sure you keep all your vegetation wet, even if you use plastic like I demonstrated in the other video. Because it doesn't have a gutter, you can't use gutter bags. So you just got to do your best to make sure and ensure the customer that you're going to really take care of their vegetation. My old hat's crooked, it's got wet. I filled it up with water and poured it on my head a while ago. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching my channel, and I hope these tips help you a little bit. Y'all have a great day. See ya.